What's good, YouTube? Sheldon here.
Anna here.
And you're watching Anna Butcher, the other slower growing movement on the platform. And today we're going to be making
Lasagna.
homemade, fresh. And you're going to explain to him how you're going to make it?
I've only ever made it once in my life.
Have you?
Yeah.
So she's going.
And that was for you.
So she's going totally over. She doesn't really know what she's doing, but hopefully this video will be a success. If we do,
last time was nice.
But yeah, so
we had a competition last time.
The bake-off, the cake-off.
No, in the old flat.
Yeah, we did it before, so we should be able to do it again. But this is another cooking vlog for you guys if you're interested in that sort of thing. People who, you know, like just passing time on you.
Some more ideas that I can try to cook, because I'm getting bored of the meals that we're eating. I want something different.
Like what?
I don't know.
Don't push me. No.
Fresh. Anything fresh and healthy.
So what you want them to do? Comment in the comment section.
Anything that you recommend trying?
We've done chili. We've done chili. We've done chili, we've done bolognese, which is so gorgeous, and we've done homemade burgers. Now I'm doing the lasagna. So if you got any more ideas,
I uploaded the burgers actually.
no, this will be your first upload in a couple of weeks.
It's burgers.
So I hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And now that is the intro. So we're going to get over to the main video right now. Explain what you do.
First, I'm going to be showing you what we need to make.
Talking like in fucking riddles again.
For lasagna, we need some 500 gram of mincemeat, some cheese. You can have any one you want for cheese. These lasagna sheets.
Lasagna sheets?
Shitty pasta. This sauce, which I'm choosing this one because I like this one, isn't bolognese. The white sauce, which Mark's got to go and fetch. And I'll show you that. But I'm going to try something a little bit different, because I've always found when I make lasagna, these are still hard in places. So I've counted how many it takes in there, and it's 3 each way. So I've got about 15 here to do quite a few layers. And I'm going to boil them and brown the mince. And Mark's going to cut the garlic.
You're going to ask me to cut the garlic, are you?
Yeah.
So I'm going to chop the onion and the garlic, guys. So you've heard what Anna said first. So you
We
can...
need a little bit more water in there. There we go. Now it's time to brown some mince. No, that's no good to use there because the frying pan's too big.
Always remember to make sure you need to...
Always make sure you brown your mince fully and don't kick the cat in the head.
Don't kick out?
No, watch who's there.
It always comes when the camera's rolling.
Do you want to go on your seat? Come on, get out. Yeah.
Now's the git.
You like to know what's going. None of this is for you, girl. Suppose I'll give you a little bit of cheese.
Right, I meant to get cat's dairy apparently.
Well, no, it's a load of stupidness, that is. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt to try and stop them, because apparently salt stops them sticking together, which is just a little pinch.
Do you want this part?
And we're back to our old faithful that I always tell you I'm using. Yet again, I'll be using Vegeta.
Which is a Polish spice.
So first you're going to put a bit of oil in your pan, not much, because we're in a health kick so we don't use it.
I keep fucking dropping this garlic. My fingers are gonna smell like Dracula's worst nightmare. Because Dracula's don't get garlic, do they, Paddy?
No, the best thing to do
That was funny, that was worried. No.
is try and break your mince down to make sure it cooks. That's all we got to do at the minute.
We'll be back in a minute.
Right, I'll be back in a minute when there's some more to say to you.
We're just waiting for the minute. You're back.
Right, now the mince is near enough brown. I'm going to have to get the saucepan and of the garlic's been added, and then we're going to put the mince in the sauce. You little bastard! Make sure that's cooked. Now put it in the saucepan. And you always want to make sure that your mince is cooked.
Blast the sheets, Anna.
Blast them. They ain't got to be fully cooked anyway. Mark,
What?
I can't open it.
Open what?
The jar.
What's that?
I've done it. And stir in the sauce. With this you want it a bit more watery than a bolognese to make it nice.
So now we're going to be adding our vegeta to the mix, which is superb taste.
Don't overdo it though.
Okay. It's too salty when you overdo it. That's why you gotta make sure you don't add too much vegeta if you use the vegeta, because
I do recommend it though.
yeah, I'm gonna hand the reins after we'll test it, and I'm gonna hand it back to you, Anna, because
I'm going back into the construction.
there you go, back to you, Anna.
Right. These are near enough cooked, so I'm going to take them off because I don't want them fully cooked. Are you going to help me construct it? And you want to get your oven-proof dish. While we're waiting for him, we might as well grate a bit of cheese. You don't need instructions how to do that, so I'll see you in a minute. We're back. Grated the cheese, which probably done too much because we didn't like cheese. Now it's time to construct. What goes on the bottom first? Mince. As the saying goes, this is a bit of blind leading the blind here. Hey, you don't really know what I'm doing, but I bet it turns out alright. I don't know how many layers I can get out, that's why I'm doing it like this.
Don't tell me, tell your viewers.
You want to spoon an even layer out on the bottom.
You never West. If you're wondering what I was just doing, I'll show you right now.
Preparing the cat tea.
This is what the cat. She has a tin of food, a tin of gourmet in a bowl, but this is what she has for when she's in. You know when she finds. Well, this is what we spoil her with every night, and I'm going to show you now. Sometimes it's tuna, but this is what she's having tonight.
Anyway, now you want to put your shitter pasta.
Shit.
Your shitter pasta. Each one by one.
That's what we give her Chanel every night. Pure beef, pure chicken. And that's a little treat for the end of the bed. But I can't give it her now because she'll eat it all. So she'll have that. So as what are you doing?
Doing the first layer. Right. Then.
Let me show them the first layer.
That's.
So there you go, guys. You have your first layer.
Mince. Then the pasta shit.
Shit.
And then we're
make
going
sure
to
you
put.
cover them on the other end. No, put another layer. And then when you stick them that way so it covers the gaps.
I've got to do that.
Okay.
So I'll put some more there.
I mean, with your other layer.
Do it the other way.
Yeah, like do it the other way, that's what I meant. Okay. Wow, muscles! You use that spoon and double it on like fucking blob it on, clackhead, whatever it is.
This is some classic creamy sauce.
Which was £1.
In Poundland. Works out cheaper buying the sauces and the sheets of pasta
Yourself.
without the kit.
Because the kit's like fucking £4 or £5 anyway.
Yeah, and the pasta sheets are only 60 odd p.
And it was a big box as well.
Enough to do about 2.
I'll show them what you've done. So now that is a little cream on top of this.
Right.
Show them.
So now we've got the layer of the creamy sauce thing. So we need another layer of pasta. Trying to get them so they're not stuck together. We could do it like a pair of tongues.
If two of them stuck together, it don't really matter.
It does, because I won't.
Do you want me to separate them while you do the rest? Come here, I'll
I
separate.
caught nothing until I got these. But don't break them, because you just.
Yeah, good to do it again. In camera there.
Shut up. And I'm going to go the other way now. Get off. Where are you going? Can you come into this?
What?
Help me.
You just had a go? Yeah, but we'll get back to you guys as soon as the layers have built up, because we're having trouble with it. Fucking.
You just want to repeat the repeating.
Keep repeating that what you've just saw until you end up with something like this.
Well,